Question number 1. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxification of drugs? The correct option is D. Livers. Liver metabolize and break down medications. Question number 2. How is intramuscular injection best administered in adults? The correct option is B. Zytric method. Zytric prevent leakage and skin irritation. Question number 3. Which vitamin prevents neural tube defects? The correct option is D. Folic acid B9. Essential for fetal brain and spinal cord development. Question number 4. Which intervention is priority for a patient with dyspnea? The correct option is D. Raised head of bed. This position improves lung expansion and oxygenation. Question number 5. What is the antidote for morphine overdose? The correct option is C. Naloxone. Naloxone reverses opioid toxicity and respiratory depression. Question number 6. Which hormone regulates sodium reabsorption and kidneys? The correct option is D. Aldosterone. Aldosterone acts on renal tubule to increase sodium retention. Question number 7. What is the primary role of a nurse during blood transfusion? The correct option is C. Observe for reaction. Nurse must detect transfusion reaction early to prevent complications. Question number 8. What is the preferred needle size for insulin? The correct option is A. 29 gauge. Fine needle used for subcutaneous injections. Question number 9. Which scale is used to assess conscious level? The correct option is B. Braden scales. Assess eye, motor and verbal response to rate coma severity. Question number 10. What is the most common site for pressure ulcers? The correct option is B. Sacrum. Sacral area bears pressure and fine patient. Question number 11. What is the ideal angle for intramuscular injections? The correct option is C. 90 degree. A 90 degree ensures medicine reach muscle layer. Question number 12. What is the most reliable method to confirm nasogastric tube placement? The correct option is B. X-rays. Chest X-rays is the gold standard for confirming nasogastric tube position. Question number 13. What is the purpose of incentive spirometry? The correct option is B. C. Prevent eclectasis. It promotes lung expansion after surgery or in mobile patient. Question number 14. Which fluid is best for a patient with dehydration? The correct option is D. Normal saline. Normal saline replaces fluid lost and electrolyte effectively. Question number 15. How long should you check apical pulse for accuracy? The correct option is C. 1 full minute. Especially needed when a patient is on cardiac drug like digoxin. Question number 16. Which pulse site is used during CPR for adults? The correct option is B. Carotid artery. Carotid artery is central and accessible during emergencies. Question number 17. Which drug is used for anaphylactic shock? The correct option is D. Epinephrine. Epinephrine reverses airways constriction and hypotension. Question number 18. Which organ regulates blood sugar through renin? The correct option is B. Kidney. Kidney release renin, which activates RS to raise blood pressure. Question number 19. Which vitamin enhance iron absorption? The correct option is C. Vitamin C. Vitamin C increases iron absorption in the gut. Question number 20. What is the most common side effect of chemotherapy? The correct option is B. Hair loss. Chemo attacks rapidly dividing cells, including hair follicles, so alopecia occurs. Question number 21. What is the most accurate site for pulse oximetry? The correct option is A. Fingers. Finger is the standard and reliable for oxygen saturation measurement. Question number 22. What is the normal finding in a healthy newborns? The correct option is B. Moro reflex. Moro reflex is present at birth and normal. Question number 23. What is a common sign of hypoglycemia? The correct option is B. Sweating and dizziness. Low blood sugar causes autonomic and neuroglycemic symptoms. Question number 24. Which of the following is a tetragonic drugs? The correct option is D. Thiodomine. Thiodomine causes limb deformities and fetus. Question number 25. What does cyanosis indicate in a newborn? The correct option is B. Hypoxia. Blue lips or extremities show low oxygen levels. Question number 26. Which vaccine is given subcutaneously? The correct option is C. MMR vaccine. MMR is given subcutaneously to avoid tissue damage. Question number 27. Which lab test evaluates long-term glucose control? The correct option is C. HbA1c. HbA1c reflects blood sugar over the last 2-3 months. Question number 28. Which infection requires droplet precautions? The correct option is B. Influenza. Influenza spread through large respiratory droplets. Question number 29. What is the normal range of potassium in blood? The correct option is D. 3.5 to 5 milliequal per liter. This range is essential for cardiac and neuromuscular function. Question number 30. What is used to measure pressure ulcer risk? The correct option is C. Braden scale. Braden scale assesses moisture, mobility, and nutritional factors. Question number 31. Which test detect protein in urine? The correct option is B. Dipstick test. Urine dipstick test quickly detect proteinuria. Question number 32. What is the antidote for paracetamol overdose? The correct option is B. N-acetylcysteine. Acetylcysteine prevents liver damage from paracetamol toxicity. Question number 33. Which infection is compounded by ELISA test? The correct option is A. HIV. ELISA is a screening test for HIV. Question number 34. What is an early symptom of hypoxia? The correct option is C. Restlessness. Brain is very sensitive to oxygen. Restlessness is an early sign. Question number 35. Which drug is used for status epilepticus? The correct option is C. Diazepam. Diazepam is given IV or rectally to stop seizures. Question number 36. Which type of diet is best for celiac disease? The correct option is C. Gluten-free diet. Celiac patient must avoid gluten to prevent intestinal damage. Question number 37. What is the primary complication of diabetes mellitus? The correct option is B. Neuropathy. Uncontrolled glucose damage peripheral nervous system. Question number 38. What is the best indicator of kidney function? The correct option is B. Serum creatinine. Creatinine reflects glomerular filtration efficiency. Question number 39. Which symptom is most typically of meningitis? The correct option is C. Neck stiffness. Meningeal irritation leads to nasal rigidity. Question number 40. Which pulse site is best for assessing circulation in lower limbs? The correct option is D. Dorsal pedis. Dorsal pedis pulse helps assess peripheral circulation in legs. Question number 41. Which medication is used to treat bradycardia? The correct option is A. Atropine. Atropine increases heart rate by blocking visual stimulation. Question number 42. Which type of isolation is needed for measles? The correct option is B. Airborne. Measles spread by airborne particles. N95 mask required for precautions. Question number 43. What is the normal range of blood pH? The correct option is B. 7.35 to 7.45. Slight deviation in pH can affect enzyme and cell functions. Question number 44. Which drug is a proton pump inhibitor? The correct option is C. Omeprazole. Proton pump inhibitor like omeprazole reduce gastric acid secretion. Question number 45. Which reflex disappear first in unconscious patient? The correct option is B. Swallow reflex. Loss of swallow reflex indicate risk of aspiration. Question number 46. What is the average pulse rate in a healthy adult? The correct option is B. 60 to 100 beats per minute. Normal resting heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Question number 47. Which condition may result from prolonged steroid use? The correct option is D. Cushing's syndrome. Long-term steroid use can cause Cushing's features. Question number 48. What is the usual site for bone marrow biopsy? The correct option is D. Iliac crest. Posterior iliac crest is commonly used due to its easy access and safety. Question number 49. What is the preferred site for intramuscular injection in adult? The correct option is D. Deltoid. Deltoid is used for small volume intramuscular injection in adult. Question number 50. What should nurse monitor during blood transfusion? The correct option is C. Vital signs. Vital helps detect early transfusion reaction.